Come back here.
So much worse.
I hate you. What's up, guys? It's Mackenzie, and today I am going to the beach. Yeah, pretty much. That's literally it. So today I'm going to the beach with my friend Katie, and I thought I would just go ahead and vlog it because it could be a fun trip, and I'm also sleeping over at her house afterwards, so I also think I may vlog a little bit of that. If you can't hear my voice, I'm still sick. So yeah, I'm literally still sick, but whatever, it's fine. But yeah, so today I think we're gonna go to Yorktown Beach, and I'm super hyped, super excited. I'm packed and everything. I just have to get all my stuff together and then go. Like, I just have to leave at this point. But I want to show you guys what I'm wearing right now. Alright, so I'm kind of in my bathing suit right now. I'm just wearing my cropped hoodie from Shein. I'm wearing the scale bathing suit. I was gonna say snakeskin, but this like scale bathing suit from Shein, and then my Goodwill shorts. And then obviously the bottoms are like the same print as this up here. And yeah, that is what I'm wearing to the beach. What's up, guys? We are on our way. This is Katie and Caroline, and we are going, where are we going?
Jamestown Beach or
right.
river thing.
Yeah, something like that. Something like the Jamestown Beach or like the river over there. I don't know. We're going to something over there. We left a little bit later, so it's around like 1 o'clock now, but it won't take that long to get there, so I'm not that worried. We'll have enough sunlight. The sun doesn't go down till like 8, so. Any words? Anything to say? No? Anything to say? Wow, rough crowd. All right, bye guys. Woo! We are living.
Yes.
Yes. We're here. Yay.
Made it. We didn't die. I was floating on the road a little bit.
Oh my gosh, Katie. I noticed that you were going so slow.
I was eating, and then I was like, I'm just chilling.
Yeah. I like didn't say anything though. I was like, it's alright, whatever. I don't really care. Really?
I see people passing me. Usually I yell at them. But I can't stay with company. Like company in the car.
Company in the car.
Have you ever seen Hunter Road Rage?
Yes, and it's scary.
I saw Grant Road Rage once, and I shut up for the rest of the car ride.
Really?
Yeah, boys are so scary when they road rage.
Yes, I know, trust me. It's this way? Alright. Oh, okay. Well, guess it's this way. Yeah, I don't know what that way is. Ooh. So which ones?
The ones out there. They all look in between ours and huh?
We just took a bunch of pictures right here for like literally an hour because we're annoying. Thank you, Caroline, for putting up with.
Huh? He's right there. Oh no!
Bye bye, ocean/river/lake. Bye bye. Yeah, something like that. Back now. We are back home. That was like a short little, don't laugh at me, I gotta finish the video. So that was like a short little drive back from like Jamestown back to here, and now should we continue the vlog or should I just end it here?
I think it'd be fun to continue it.
We got some to do. Okay, might as well, whatever. Okay, we're gonna continue it. We're gonna go get changed and then we have some stores to go to, so alright, so see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alright, so what's up, guys? We are back in the car and changed and like showered and stuff. Now,
Oh.
that's a cop.
Hola.
Lady, explain to us where we're going and why. Yeah, go ahead.
We're going to Adam and Eve because I want to.
We're gonna go to Adam and Eve and just around pretty much.
Well, I'm buying stuff.
Yeah, Katie has to actually get something, but
I'm not telling you all.
yeah.
You dirty little.
I'm not getting anything. I am just along for the ride because I kind of want to see what's in there because do you know you can only go in there if you're 18 and older? Yeah, so like we couldn't go in there before, but now that obviously we're of age.
We've been able to go in there for almost a full year now, Kenzie, because our birthdays are coming up.
Yeah, but like we never have, and like before that we were never able to, so yeah, I just literally am interested. Ew, stop. Yeah, if you guys actually see these clips, I'll be surprised because I like to cut out anything that's scandalous when I edit my videos. So
I hope y'all see this. Penis!
You're not helping. I hate you. He's laughing. Stop. This is child friendly. So the next clip should be us outside of Adam and Eve or in Adam and Eve. I don't know if we can film in there. That'll be interesting.
I hope we can.
But then after that we're going to Ulta. Of course, you guys know I go there all the time. So yeah, then we're gonna go to Ulta and that'll be just like regular, you know, that's not special or anything. So yeah, just running some errands for the night. Anything you want to say? Any last words? Yeah.
Penis!
Y'all, look at this storm. Like, what is this?
Oh, I didn't even check to see if
Me gets on video us getting in an accident. Oh, it was good. It was so good. We made it.
this is not gonna go.
Hey, Dream Nails. Just got my nails done from them. You can't see it, but like, I don't know if you'll be able to. There you go.
Where's my phone?
So yeah, if you live in the Mechanicsville area, you go to them, ask for Danae. This is so wild. Hi. Okay, so I didn't film an outro, and then the rest of the other clips that I got from the night are just really random and weird, so I'm just gonna do this outro right here. Hope y'all don't mind. Basically, I wasn't able to go in there, and the lady in there was so rude. Then we went to Ulta, and that was fine, and then we went and got ice cream, and that was fine, and then we went and saw Hunter and Grant and hung out with them. And then we went back to Katie's house and fell asleep. So yeah, that was literally it. But thank you guys for watching. I know this is kind of like a small video, but whatever, it's fine. Like, subscribe, comment, social media down in the description below. And I'm sorry for this annoying outro. I'll do better next time, I promise. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!